little scared, okay? I have never purchased jeans from H&M. I don't think they have jeans to fit my body. Yeah, no. Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie and I'm your fashion BFF, and welcome to Fashion Friday. As you can tell by the title, we're doing a collective haul, but I noticed I had so much stuff, y'all. Like, I ordered from Zara, H&M, Fashion Nova, and I went a little bit crazy in Fashion Nova, so I think I'm going to put those packages to the side. As you can see, like, your girl went a little crazy. So we're going to keep it short. I don't want you here all day. We're going to do the H&M and Zara together. For reference, if you want to know my body type and all that stuff, just check the description down below. If you're wondering, this dress is from Fashion Nova, so whoops. Yeah, let's just get into the video. We're going to start off with this cozy crop tank top in the color brown. I purchased it in a size extra large. It's perfect. It's right above my belly button. It's nice and tight, but it's also double lined, so I love the quality on this. And then we're gonna go ahead with these cute brown trousers. It's a linen trouser, so it's not as chocolate. As you can see, like the contrast between this deep chocolate and these trousers. I got this in a size XXL. It's very much comfortable. The pockets could be a little bit deeper, but it's still a nice pair of trousers. It comes all the way to my feet. I don't think it's tall girl friendly because I'm 5'5", and as you can see, it's just hitting the perfect length for me. But yeah, I love this look together actually. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this other. I purchased this brown tank top to go with this yellow. Well, it's not even yellow. It's like a mustard color button up. So if you picking up what I'm putting down, this button up is a size extra large. I definitely recommend sizing down. So I purchased originally a XXL. It was too big. When I mean it was huge, it is an oversized button up. So it was like huge. It was covering my hand and everything. But I think I did a really good fit. I think this is still too big. Hold on, let me check. The inspiration for this outfit was Aaliyah's face. When I clicked her links, pretty much all the items were sold out. I mean, I'm not surprised. But I did find this dress-up shirt in the color mustard. And then this beautiful deep chocolate. I don't kind of like it with these trousers. I'm going to see if I can find another one of these, but like in a darker chocolate. This kind of gives like washed. Like, it's linen, but it's like a wash. I don't know. It's not as deep as these two up top, and that's what I really want, but it's definitely cute for a monochromatic look. To go with this outfit, I did purchase these ballerina sneakers. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, they're ugly cute. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I love the material of them. It's like a nice satin shoe with it has a very good sole in it. It's very soft. It feels like you're walking on clouds, but I don't know if it's gonna last long because the strings are a little skinte, you know what I mean? But I don't know, I gotta see it together. I gotta see the ensemble together. I'm gonna put a little clip so you can see it. But I definitely need to change the pants because it's like a deep chocolate. The mustard color is like also on a dark spectrum, but I can wear it, you know, just to do a monochromatic look. But I think it'd be really cute with a nice yellow bag. It's gonna eat every time. Next item I have is this cream rib t-shirt in a size extra large. Now, as you can see, it's a no for me, dog. Simply because definitely the size, like the arms, feel like I'm ready to bust out. And then I can see the color of my bra, which is not okay. I mean, I could always put a tank top under, but I think it's still a little too snug. But I think this would look really good with these trousers. That's why I purchased it. A little cream and brown look. That'd be really cute. And I like the length of the shirt. Do I recommend buying this shirt? Probably not, just for the simple fact it's see-through. If you do want to wear a cami and you can layer it up, then that's on you by all means. But for me, it's a no. These two items I purchased in a double XL. We're gonna start off with this beautiful soft knit sweater. I purchased this in a color yellow, so it's like more of the original butter yellow. I love the little gold details around the cuffling, and then it has this little, you know, open flat. This is very soft and very smooth, but as you can see, it's a little tight, a little see-through. I don't know how I feel about it. Y'all let me know, should I keep this sweater, yes or no? Do you think? I don't know. Because I feel like, I don't know if you can see, but you can see my bra a little bit. Of course, I'll wear like a tank top underneath for a cami. But I don't know, it's so soft, it's so comfortable. This is what the back looks like. You know, I just feel like it's a little tight. Maybe just me. But I like it though. I love the quality of it. But at the same time, I feel like it's that type of soft material where you start to get the little lint balls. If y'all know what I'm talking about, that's gonna irritate me. And then next we have these trousers. Online it said navy blue and white. It's a cream. It's like a nude and navy blue. So definitely lying on their colors. But nonetheless, it's very much tall girl friendly. It's extremely long, like it's covering my whole foot. Wide barrel. It's really cute. The stripes is kind of like hurting my eyes slightly. I don't know if I'm keeping these two, but nonetheless, they're definitely cute. We're gonna go ahead and cut the ribbon on this. Ah! It's on this side. Clearly it's on that side, man. Come on. There we go. I mainly purchase sweaters, cardigans, tops from H&M in all the colors that is trending right now. Burgundy, green, brown, all that good stuff. So let me show you what I purchased. Y'all, I'm a little scared, okay? I have never purchased jeans from H&M. I don't think they have jeans to fit my body type, but we're going to see, you know, let's try something new. I purchased this in a size 18, and this is their tapered high waist, ankle length jeans. I think this should be straight leg. I'm not. Oh, it's kind of like a barrel pair of jeans. Ooh. There you go. Barrel. Okay. This is what it's looking like. Alright, let's see. Let's try it on. Let me see. Okay, we might be doing something. We might be working with something. Hold on. And now I'm just gonna throw it on with some sweaters and all our tops, so that way we can. Okay, so this did not go as planned. As you can see, they do not fit. They're extremely tight right here on the thighs and in my butt area. But they were perfect, like down to the ankle length. If this was a little bit wider, we've been getting somewhere. But it's a no. It's tight. And then like in the back, there's gapping. So even if like which is weird, like if I try to put this all the way through. Okay, so it's buttoned, but there's like gap in between, like there's gapping in between, but I button it all the way up. It's tight. It's enough for me, dog. We try. Imagine a nice, cozy sweater. Like, y'all, this is so cozy. I absolutely love the feel of this sweater. This is a cute burgundy sweater that I purchased in a size. Hold your mule. Double XL. So it's so, oh my gosh, I love it. I don't know, it's just so soft. It's airy, so it's not like sticky. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It's cinching, but at the same time, it's not like laying on your skin. I feel airy in it. It looks so cute. I love it. I love this color actually. You can roll this up a little bit, give it a little barrel look. Okay, boom. I like it. This item I have is this beautiful olive green dress in a size 2X. I absolutely love it, especially the neck lining. So beautiful. And then one thing I love about it, it has like this ruching in the middle to give you like, you know, that hourglass figure. But unfortunately, based off of the material, it's kind of thin. It's made out of the polyester elastane texture. But as you can see, well, you can't see it, but I can see it. I can see my cellulite through like any part that's poking out, which is like right here, middle of my thighs and in my butt. I can see it, and I don't find that flattering at all. Like, I don't wear shapewear, like bottom shapewear, and I feel like even if I did, you probably would see like the banding of it. I don't know. But long story short, I kind of do like this dress. It fits really nice on me, but like I said, I have cellulite, and that doesn't look flattering. That's not cute when you can see that poking out. But I love it. So cute. Yeah. Next item I have is this knit sweater. I purchased it in a size 2X, and I absolutely love it. I love the texture of it, but I don't know. It's doing these little flyaways, and that's throwing me off a little bit. But other than that, I don't like the fact that these are not real pockets, which is unfortunate. And I hope these little buttons don't fall off in the dryer. So you may want to be careful. Is it me or this? Yeah, it's like tugging down. I don't know. But long story short, I mean, it's still a nice sweater all in all. It'll be really cute with some blue denim jeans and like some Uggs if you want to keep it basic. But yeah, I like this. I love the arm length. This charcoal gray cardigan, I'm really not feeling. I did purchase this in a size 2X, but unfortunately, I don't know. The arms is okay, but I feel like the neckline in here is like throwing me off high key. Even if I would literally have to wear like some type of V-neck or a deep cami. Like, I don't know, but this is definitely not the vibe for me. And I feel like I can't button it up. Like, it would give very much tight, medium situation if I button it up. I mean, even though you're not supposed to button up cardigans, but at the same time, it's like, you just never know. This is how it looks. I had high hopes for this cardigan, but unfortunately, it didn't meet my expectation. This is a great quality cardigan, but unfortunately, the way it falls on me is not flattering. And on top of that, it's like the big arms. You know what I mean? Look at the flick of the wrist. Okay, pay attention. We must stay focused. But I don't like it just for the way it falls on me. I did purchase this in a XXL. Even if I would have sized down, I still feel like, it's not flattering on me. I don't like it. But I'm gonna give you a 360 so you can see what it looks like. Let me give you some ASMR. Ooh. So satisfying. I love a snap button. Cause I'm real childish, y'all. Like, I really don't like buttons. But this is what it's looking like. Ooh. I love the feel of this. It's like perfect. It's like tight around the wrist, but it's a little bit baggy around the arms, you know? I like that. And it falls perfect. It falls perfectly on me. Like, it's not, you know, at the belly button. I feel really good about this one. I purchased this in a size 2X. Wow, okay, yeah. The texture is a little bit odd, but I also purchased this long sleeve burgundy top. It's made out of polyester and it's stained. It's a no for me, dog. I did purchase this in a 2X, a double XL. No. Even if I size down to give me more like a body look, it's supposed to be like cinched in the middle and then it's like out flared. But I don't like this at all. This is not flattering at all to my body or the way it looks. Like, I don't like it. It looks like my shirt is on backwards. That's enough for me, dog. I'm trying. But I do like the color. It's like a nice burgundy color, which is, you know, in style for fall, but I like this. This is what the burgundy one was supposed to be, like the same vibes, but no, it failed. Love the quality of this. It's like thick material. If you can tell, it's kind of like boxy up top, but it cinches at the waist with a little bit of a flare down the bottom. This is a really cute professional top. You can definitely wear this to church or like a nice cute little brunch. I like this. This is really nice. It's like different. You know what I mean? Like it's different, but it's kind of chic a little bit. This is really cute, and you can wear it with some like dark brown if you want to do like green and brown, or you can do brown chromatic. But ooh, this is definitely eating, you know? Yeah. Stuff in your box, Maggie. But yeah, I love how it like kind of, I wish I had like the right like bottoms to this, because that would be cute. I like this. This is a really nice quality top. It's double lined and everything. I love it. What I have is this really cute cream long sleeve polo crop top. This is really nice. Actually, I'm really upset because I purchased this in a size extra large, and then the blue one in a double XL. This one is a little tight for me, a little snug. But I don't know, I kind of like it a little snug. You know, with a cute pair of jeans or trousers. You know, wear a little Uggy Uggs, a little loafer. How y'all feel about this? But you know what made me upset though? The collar of this like V-neck and the collar is like really thick material, and then the shirt itself is thin. I don't get that. Like that. That's not. It's not computing for me. But long story short, overall this is like a really cool, you know, simple top. It's really cute with brown. Oh, I love brown and cream together. So cute. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified about each Fashion Friday. Next week, I think I'm going to do the Fashion Overhaul. Like I said, I got 2 huge bags, y'all, of clothes. And this video is already long, so I didn't want to hold you guys up too much. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it means the world to me. Until next time, bye.